Hello and welcome back to Javon's programming tutorial. This time let's look at the switch theme project where you can change from deck or from light theme to dark theme or mode. Yeah, so that's basically what you want to do and I'll dwell much on the functionality in the script file. Yeah, okay, so inside my HTML, of course, this is the structure. There are quite some new things that needs to be aware of that are bringing up that adjustment in the theme switch. Okay, we have something that is called, or this is called it an attribute, aerial as pop-up. Aerial as pop-up. You have aerial expanded, aerial controls. So aerial pop-ups is set to true, means that the first one, of course, they're talking about the light one comes before the dark one. So this one will be set to true. Then aerial expanded to false. Then aerial control theme drop down. It will be a drop down. Whenever we click on the switch theme, the two list elements, the light and the dark, will be shown as a drop down. And then of course in the list element file menu, area labeled by theme switch. Then yeah, that's all about this. Let's see part of though then it doesn't have much. The file the CSS file doesn't have much. The body above all the list style type, you'll see that. Then of course the theme dark over, that will be the cursor will be a pointer. So let's get back to or go back to aerial and politeness, and doesn't have much yet to say about it. It will be implemented in the next file. So let's follow the link. Let me to better understand of this. Allow me to open the real projects alongside these. So this one will make sense down into that file. So this is just a simple project. That's called by the ID and the selector for these. So with this array, name light and dark, for example, light and dark. So whenever light one is clicked, it will say light theme activated. Whenever dark theme is clicked, it's usually dark mode or dark theme activated. This is where the click add event listener comes in. So it's expanded as a calling get attribute aerial expanded. Yeah. Then button set to aerial not equal to is not as expanded. So the drop down hidden is equals to is expanded. That's what it shows. Whenever the menu is hidden, you see, it's just to show the theme activated. Then this is what it's hidden. Yeah. So for example, if I click on light, you see nothing is displayed here, it is hidden. So the button get attribute area is equal to true. Yeah, it will be set to true. So when this one, for example, if I click on dark, the drop down should be hidden here, yeah, to allow the display, the dark theme activated. And the same thing to light, here's to nothing displays here, to allow the light theme, that message to pop up. Then let's handle the theme selection. Drop down query selector, the list. This is the list, the two, the light and the dark, they are the themes. When for each item, add event listener click to lowercase. So and it is clicked event listener. So here there are two event listener for the theme switch and the individual. This time the light and the dark. So when it is light, yeah, the text content to lowercase. Yeah. So removing existing theme, removing the existing theme. For this case, you want to remove like you want to get back, move to from light to dark, from light to dark. So if we want to move from light to dark, then the light one should be removed to allow the dark to display. So the same thing will happen to dark. When you want to remove to click on dark, then of course the light should be removed for us to allow the display of the dark. Then find the theme object and leave reason. Constant select theme by the theme name. Then is when the message pops up. Yeah, finding on the live reason. So when light is clicked, light mode, light theme activated. When dark is chosen, then or it's clicked, just to show the dark mode activated. This is also the message. Then closing after the selection, of course the drop down should be true. Then the drop down should be, so it has to display the two. Then set the area extended to false. So because we are talking on the closing, for example, if we click on light, everything this is it's closed here. So this is what this means. So whenever you will try to refresh, everything gets to the beginning, unless again you click in this button. Yeah, that's what's about this. Hope you can realize that whenever you click on light, of course light is there, it sounds like the default, but when you click on the dark, you realize that it's not displaying on this web browser. This is because this is a section of the project that is associated with the switch mode, changing of the switch mode. There are very several events too. I think typically I've seen it on Facebook. Yeah, so it's something that should also be displayed here according to my project, because this is just a section of it and it's just displayed on the web browser, not the real whole project. So that's why you can see that whenever you click on dark, it's not displaying the dark mode on the web. Yeah, so this is why this has to happen. So thank you for following, and we'll follow back for more.